Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. 10th class biology, chapter number 11, homeostasis, and the topic is osmotic adjustment. Learning objectives. Student will be able to give point about osmotic adjustment in hydrophytes, xerophytes, and halophytes. What is osmotic adjustment? On the basis of available water and salts, plants are divided into three groups: hydrophytes, xerophytes, and halophytes. Hydro means water. The plant which live completely or partially submerged in fresh water are called hydrophytes. There are different mechanisms to remove extra water. They have broad leaves. Large number of stomata are present on their upper surface. Example, water lily. It is a aquatic plant which is submerged in fresh water. It has large leaves and more stomata are present on the upper surface. In other leaves, stomata are present mostly on lower surface, but in hydrophytes, stomata will be present on upper surface. Xerophytes, xero means dry. The plant which live in dry environment are called xerophytes. They possess thick waxy cuticle layer. Leaves have and some stems have waxy cuticle layer, but in xerophytes it is a thick waxy cuticle layer. You can see there is a thick cuticle layer, and they have less number of stomata. They have deep roots to absorb water. Leaves are needle-like with less and deep stomata. These are the spine-like. These are the leaves, not our spines. Some xerophytes have special type of parenchyma cells to store large quantity of water in roots and stem. You can see this stem have parenchyma cells which store the water and make the root and stem juicy, called succulent organ. Example, cactus. Halophytes live in seawater and are adapted to salty water. Salts enter in the bodies of such plants due to higher concentration of salt in seawater. Water tend to move out of their cells into the hypotonic seawater because the surrounding environment is hypotonic with more solute. When salt enter into cells, plants carry out active transport to move and hold large amount of salts in vacuole. Salt do not allow to move through semi-permeable membrane. Home task. How do the plants excrete extra water and salt from their bodies? Define xerophytes briefly. Write about their osmotic adjustments. Define homeostasis and 3 examples of homeostasis.